Hello, good morning. Hello boys and girls, I hope you're all well. Oh my god, little crunch is just like sat in the back. I thought I'd film a spend the day with me today because it's currently a Sunday as I'm filming this. I'm actually seeing some family later today. We're going to the Media City Christmas markets, which I'm so excited about. I actually went on Wednesday with Mill and I vlogged that a little bit too, so I'm also going to include some of those clips in this video as well so that you can see what we got up to when we went out last week. I'm really enjoying getting back into this style of video and like vlogging more and kind of like showing you guys what I'm up to a little bit. I let myself have a line this morning because it's a Sunday, you know, day of rest and all. And I basically just got up, brushed my teeth. I took my mum to work because my mum's had to go into work, bless her. My dad's actually about to go in now as well, so dropped my mum off and then came back. I've just done a little bit of editing for today and that's it. I've not done anything else, so I really want to do like my morning skincare and show you guys what I've been up to in terms of like my skincare routine. And then I'm going to make some brunch as well because I've literally not had any breakfast. I've not done anything yet. And I'm suddenly very hungry as I'm thinking about it. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions about my skin at the minute and my skincare routine, so I thought I'd quickly show you guys what I do in the morning. In terms of morning skincare, I pretty much just cleanse and then moisturize. So to cleanse my face, I'm going to be using my Foreo Luna Mini 3, which for those of you that haven't heard of Foreo before, they are a Swedish skincare brand. I've been using this for a couple of weeks in the mornings and evenings to cleanse my skin, and so far I'm really enjoying it. I really like the way my skin feels after I use it. I feel like it does a really good job of getting into my pores and leaving my skin really healthy and glowy. So the way it works is you basically connect it through an app on your phone, so I'm going to show you how I connect it in a second. But the thing I really like about it is it's actually got a dual surface, so it's got different bristles on each side. The bristles on this side I find are a little bit softer and a little bit more flexible in terms of the movement, and the actual bristles are made of silicone, so it's super hygienic for the skin as well, which is amazing. And then on the back they're a little bit more kind of like sturdy, so I really like this side for exfoliating in the evenings. So yeah, you can really customize how you use it and how you cleanse your skin because it's got the two surfaces, and then you can also adjust how intense the pulsations are via the app. The pulsations basically just help to remove any dirt and cleanse your skin, any pores and all of that good stuff as you kind of like massaging it around your face. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I connect it and how I use it. So this is what the app looks like when you first open it. I've got my Luna Mini 3 at the top. It actually connects with Bluetooth, and then that's what the screen looks like once it's connected. So as you can see, you can adjust the time and also the intensity. So my intensity is currently set to 8 and my time is 60 seconds, which I feel like is a really just quick and easy amount of time, but still gets the job done really well. Also, I really like the fact that they have this demonstration throughout. Like obviously you can kind of use it in whichever areas you want to at any time, but it's kind of nice to have like it's almost like a guide with the time in terms of like where to use it on your face. Yeah, I'm trying to be really good with my skincare at the minute because honestly, like I feel like I used to be so bad. Like I'd literally just use makeup wipes and I'd hardly like cleanse properly and things like that. So I'm really trying to make an effort, especially now my skin is a little bit drier in the winter time. Okay, so usually I would do this in the bathroom, but my bathroom is a nightmare of a place to film. So I've just got a little bowl of water to dampen my skin before I use my Luna Mini 3. And then also obviously to rinse off the cleanser afterwards. So my skin is a little bit damp, which is what we want. Okay, so I've just popped some cleanser on my Luna Mini 3. That's quite a lot, but you know, we'll go with it. Okay, and then all you want to do once you've got the settings there is press start, and once you've pressed start it will start to pulsate and you can basically go around and cleanse your skin. Super easy and really quick as well. But yeah, you kind of just want to do circular motions around your skin. And it actually pauses every 15 seconds just to kind of let you know like an update how much time you've got left. But yeah, I tend to just use the front side in the morning, and then when I want a little bit more of an intense cleanse I'll use this side as well. Easy as that, literally 60 seconds and it's done. Obviously you want to rinse that off and clean it, but I'm just gonna also rinse the cleanser off my skin as well. Yeah, I feel like it just does a really good job of cleansing and removing any dirt, any oils. Still leaves my skin feeling really soft and really healthy. It's not too harsh or anything like like that, because my skin especially is quite dry and quite sensitive, so I have to be careful what I use on it. But yeah, oh god, I wish you could feel it. Like, my skin feels so smooth. Okay, so that is cleansing. Thank you to Foreo as well for sponsoring that part of the video. All of the information will be in the description bar if you want to pick one up for yourself or need any information. Skincare wise, I'm going to use the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I've really been enjoying this as a moisturizer at the minute. I've only tested it out recently, but I just find that it's really thick and creamy on the skin, which I really like, especially when my skin is a little bit drier this time of year. And then I'm also going to be mixing in some of the Isle of Paradise medium tanning drop. I feel like I've seen quite a few people on Instagram promoting this brand, so when I was in Boots not so long ago, I thought I would pick it up and give it a go, and I've actually really been enjoying using these drops because I feel like fake tan is kind of like wears off quickest on my face, so having this to kind of top it up, like whenever I apply moisturizer, it's really nice. So you basically just mix it in with your moisturizer and it's done. So it kind of just looks like so. Always do the neck as well. I'm also gonna use a tiny bit of eye cream. So this is the Ulla Henriksen, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm pretty sure that's how Rachel pronounces it, and I know she knows. So this is the Banana Bright eye cream, which again, I've really been enjoying. This is actually my second pot of this, so I'm trying to get better at like being more gentle around my eyes. That's pretty much everything I do until I do makeup, which I'm gonna do after I've cooked brunch. So we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna make some eggs and avocado because that's what I'm craving. And I literally went to Co-op this morning and got like fresh bread, fresh avocado, lemon, like all of that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna make that. Okay, so all I'm using is 2 eggs. I've got some fresh bread, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna chop now. Hi! And then I've got an avocado, which is literally rock hard because it's fresh, so this is gonna be fun to try and mash. And then I've got a little bit of lemon for the avocado and some leftover parsley as well. Alright, the only thing is I don't actually have a bread knife, so I'm gonna have to make do. Seeing as it's just me eating, I'm just gonna use one like thick slice of bread because I feel like that'll fill me up for now. Alright, next up is avocado. Woo! Alright, fun fact, I actually don't like avocado when it's like this fresh. Like, I like avocado when it's like a week out of date. Maybe that's just me, but I like it so soft. Okay, so avocado is done. I actually had to get an old one out the fridge, which I didn't even realize that I had because this was just like way too ripe. So I really struggled to mash that. So I'm gonna save that for another day. I just added a little bit of lemon again and some salt and pepper just to season it. I've got 2 eggs because I'm doing poached eggs, so I've just put them in like old little containers to tip into the pan. Got my bread, which she needs to go into the toaster. And then I've just done a pot of boiling water to do the eggs in. So the way that I do poached eggs, basically just gonna do the whole technique of like creating a little, it's like a little whirlwind, you know? Just create some movement, and then when you drop the egg in, the egg whites should kind of like wrap around the yolk a little bit. Have to admit, mine never look that pretty, but they always taste great, so I'd much rather that. Okay, so they're just in together there. Sorry, the steam will like fog up the camera, but they're just cooking away there. And then we've got our toast being done. I'm just warming a plate in the oven. And then we've got herbs, salt and pepper. Oh, good to go. Okay, that is warmish. She is done. Bit of lemon. Right, if that is not the best poached egg done at home you have ever seen, I don't know what is. You girl just really did that. I just did that. I'm actually in heaven, oh my god. Okay, Charlie then got back and also wanted eggs, so I've just done the same for him but without the avocado. So, gonna go give this to him and then we're gonna get ready. All the room on the bed and you have to sleep right at the top. Like, you always have to sleep right at the top. No, no, no. Okay, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. Crunchy is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is like one of my favorite Christmas songs because it reminds me of my mom. But it don't snow here. It stays pretty green. I'm gonna make a lot of money. and then I'm gonna quit this crazy scene. Literally using a dry sponge, like that's how lazy I'm being today. Not to say no, no, sir. At least I'm gonna say that I tried. Hands down, the best Christmas song, okay? In the snow on Christmas morning. Hello there. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm with Mel. I realised I've not vlogged in like a hot second. Honestly, it was a big rush leaving the house and we were both extremely late. So
we didn't know what to wear.
Great, literally spent like 40 minutes trying to find something to wear and it wasn't even this, so.
We're in joggers. so creative.
But yeah, we've just been to the Koi event, which was really fun. We saw Amber as well and her friend Vanessa, which was really nice. I didn't know that Amber was going, so it was actually really nice seeing her.
A fantastic surprise.
Literally.
You know, love that for us.
Love that for us. I'm just like keeping an eye out for our Uber. But yeah, we've just left, so I've ordered an Uber to Media City because we're gonna go ice skating, girl.
I've not been since my 9th birthday party. What's that ice skating movie that we watched in LA? Tanya.
I Tonya.
I'm gonna be Tanya tonight.
Oh bitch, we'll see. Miss Margot Robbie zooming around the ice. We were just saying we've only got trainer socks, so I'm really not sure how this is gonna go. But
Hannah was like, I've not got socks. I was like, bitch, who goes ice skating without socks? And then I look at her feet, I'm like, you got socks on.
Yeah, but not like socks. When I said I've not got socks, Mel was like thinking I just meant trainer socks, which like, I feel like normal people would wear like full-on socks to go ice skating, but
yeah,
apparently
like
we're not.
Fluffy socks.
Yeah, like fluffy socks. So just like long socks.
I reckon they'll sell.
I'm hoping
they'll sell socks.
I also don't know what's like actually at these markets because they usually, you were saying they usually have Christmas markets at the Lowry, but they don't usually have them like where like the, like what would you call it? Like that space is where Media City is.
Like the entrance to like the BBC.
Yeah, where that whole like space is.
I've never seen him there before. Like,
no,
like
neither.
The Alchemist.
Kind of.
Behind the Alchemist.
Yeah. But I actually walked past him the other day because I went to Prezzo.
Oh, yeah, the Italian. Have you actually seen the ice skating rink?
No.
Oh, this is a recipe.
I've googled it. I've googled it and it's open, so it's fine. It was like a hot and you could go inside and have drinks and it was like indoors. I don't know.
Like the ones over, like the karaoke
yeah,
ones
but like there. Yeah, but like a big version where loads of people went in.
See, but the problem with Hannah is she doesn't drink beer, and that's all that
they fucking
That's
serve.
all that they sell. It's either mulled wine or beer, and Hannah will not drink either. So
I'll have a beer if I have to have a beer. I've never tried mulled wine.
Don't force yourself. Don't you drink what you want to drink. But
well, there's gonna be nothing else to drink.
It was like we went last. When did we go markets? Last Thursday.
Yeah, must have. Like,
we were all like, let's get a beer. Hannah was like,
I need to try mulled wine. I feel like I might like mulled wine, and I've never had that.
You don't like red wine.
Oh, okay, fine.
It's red wine. It's hot red wine.
Yeah, but I feel like it's not very red winey, is it?
It's like fruity, like a fruity. Well, I said you should get like Baileys and hot chocolate.
I don't think I like Baileys though.
Amaretto.
I don't know.
This is what
I'm just too
all you drink is vodka and cranberry.
How do you know it's KKA?
She told me.
Did I?
KKA.
Did I? Are you sure?
Oh.
Millie, I feel like you're lying to me.
I swear you said KKA.
Oh yeah, KKA. Oh wow, you really have a good memory. Oh my god, look at you. I didn't even know I said that out loud.
That's why I went university.
It's like, how do you know that? I'm very cozy. I'm wearing a Motel Rocks jumper. It's literally it's the warmest jumper ever, I swear. Like when I tried this on in a haul, I was sweating. Like it's so warm.
Have you ever been to Costco and like felt the blanket?
Yeah.
It feels like a Costco blanket.
And it's like double lined, it's so good. Is this our guy? Yeah. Hello. Oh my god, okay, so we've got here. Is it open? Is anything open? I think it's open.
Well, we've made the journey, so
don't let us down. It's actually so cute. Like, what the hell? Okay, I'm in it. At least we can maybe eat here as well.
Look at the big snowman. So, what's it called?
Polar bear. Look at the big snowman. What's it called?
It's like the Manchester ones, but low-key.
No, it actually is.
And I'm high-key for them
because we're not about that busy Manchester life anymore. Oh my god, fish and chips. Waffles. In it.
Oh, they don't have the dough. Curry.
Okay, we're gonna explore and see what happens. Okay, so what did I last vlog? I don't know, we just got here. So we managed to find, I very nearly lost my camera, like that would have been a tragedy, but still. My brain cells are working today for once, thank you. We managed to find the ice rink, so we paid for that and we're gonna go back in a sec because it shuts at 9 and it's only like 7:30 now-ish. So we were gonna go to Pret and then Pret was shutting in like 5 minutes, so we were like, do you know what, like we're just gonna sack that. So we managed to find this little indoor bit where you can sit inside because we wanted to eat like at the markets, but we thought it was all gonna be outside and we were like not about to freeze to death. So we managed to find a chippy, which I'm actually very excited about because I love a fish and chip. So I just got chips and some mayo because your girl loves a bit of mayo with her chips. And then Mill's got
Fish and chips.
just a little fish and chips and a Corona. And here's me with my apple juice. We're gonna eat this and then go ice skating and I'm very excited.
This isn't going the way we planned.
This is the hardest thing ever.
Hard work.
Especially when there's like people that can actually do this and we're just like, help me.
I can't skate. And I maybe shouldn't have had 4 drinks before I came
I mean, probably didn't help, but still, it's okay.